would this, how many states would this constitute? And will you be pushing for some of the provisions that are already contained in the draft federal constitution prepared by the federal government of the Philippines?
There are many ways of doing it, actually. You can go like the Malaysia setup. You can copy verbatim the Constitution of America, or you can go to the Federated States of Scandinavia. There are so many models to follow.
What model are you?
I have to study. It has to be peculiar to the Philippine, suitable to the peculiarities of our country. Pero I will not agree on a federal system limited to one area. It has to be one republic, one federal republic. And I'd like to assure everybody that this thing will be pursued peacefully. There will never be a time that this advocacy or this kind of thing now going on with resort to arms. That is a no-no. I said we do not want to fight Filipinos. Pero yan sinasabi ko rin sa kapatid nating mga Muslim. Baka paway na naman tayo.
Mayor, my question is